Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Physics Past Question 39. Which of the following arrangements in the sentence below can be used to obtain a pure spectrum of white light? A. Source, slit, converging lens, prism, converging lens and screen in that order. B. Source, slit, diverging lens, prism, diverging lens and screen in the order. Source, converging lens, prism, diverging lens, screen. And D is source, slit, diverging lens, converging lens and screen. Now, to produce a pure spectrum, what do you mean by a pure spectrum? That is the spectrum in which, so I'm briefly describing a pure spectrum. A pure spectrum is a spectrum in which the colors are clearly separated. The colors are clearly separated or distinct from each other. That is, the various components or the various color components of light are what are clearly separated or distinct from each other. Now, to obtain a pure spectrum of white light, the setup is in the following order. 1, we have the source of light, followed by the slit that provides the tiny aperture for the passage of the light. Then the converging lens will be the next. The converging lens. Then we have the triangular prism, followed by, after the triangular prism, we have another converging lens, or what we call the convex lens, converging lens. And then finally we have the screen where the pure spectrum will be observed. And the setup is in this format. You have the source of light, let's assume this is a source of light, then having the aperture, that's the slit. Now we have a converging lens, then the triangular prism, another converging lens, and then finally the screen. Now the ray of light will go in this format. This is the ray of light in this format. Then from the converging lens, it will hit the triangular prism like this, and then come out this way. From this converging lens also, it will go, and then the light will be split into its various components. And this is how a pure spectrum is observed. So the answer to this question is option A, the source of the light, the slit, the first converging lens, a prism, the second converging lens, and the screen. So option A is the right answer to the question. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.